Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal. Welcome back. I know, 2 videos in one day. We are really on our game. So, why am I here now? Well, I don't know if you remember last month, the 18th of July, we made our lovely anisette liqueur. So remember, if you go to that video, you will see, I'll probably add the link, but you will see that I said we're gonna make that biscotti recipe. It's time. We waited 45 days. I can't wait any longer. So let's do it. This is the recipe from the blog, so you just follow right along, okay? So we're first gonna do our dry ingredients, which is 1.5 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Take your whisk, and you just want to incorporate. You see what happens? It makes the flour sifted perfectly. So there it is. I'm going to set it aside. And now I'm gonna mix my wet ingredients. So this is 1.5 tablespoons of the anisette liqueur, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 eggs. And we're gonna beat these. So they're incorporated nicely. All right. Now we're gonna add the wet to the dry. All right, we've got it into a nice dough. So now this is the time where we fold in the almonds. I'm gonna take some out. So I'm gonna wanna top some. But now, nice. All right, looks good. So we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 for 25 to 35 minutes. I'm actually going to check these at 15 minutes because they're so delicate. See you then. The timer has went off. My biscotti got ready at 20 minutes, but again, I have a gas stove. So if you have a gas stove, that's why I said gauge your temperature. A gas stove can cook relatively faster than a regular stove, but this is what they look like. So they're nice. So if anything, I just need to work on a little bit of more execution, but I like the look of them. I'm saying they should come right off. So yes, perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's open it. Ooh, it's nice. It's a nice biscotti consistency. Let's taste. Yes, yes, we did it. Adjective on the back. See, good things do come to those who wait. We waited 45 days. We got the anisette liqueur purified and ready, and now look at us. We got to make biscotti. I'm gonna have this with a nice cup of coffee and move on with my life. So from my kitchen to yours, happy National Anisette Day.